touch me like I'm porcelain, like I might break if you lean in. Your voice is soft, your hands are warm, but I can feel a leaf in the thorns. I know you're gonna leave a mark, but I still let you in the dark. Velvet thorns, I can't let go. Every touch just cuts me slow. You're the pain I wanna keep. You're the wound I dive in deep. You pull me closer, say my name, like I'm the one who plays your game. I see the danger in your eyes, but I don't even try to hide. I know it's gonna hurt again, but I don't wanna miss the end. Velvet thorns, I can't let go. Every touch just cuts me slow. You're the pain I want to keep. You're the one